everybody, welcome back to my channel, A Life in High Definition. I hope that everyone is doing as well as you possibly can be and enjoying the weekend. I have got another unboxing for you. I've had this one for about a week now, so a little bit late, but I had a subscriber request to get this one up ASAP. So here it is, Eve's Parcel. This is the beauty version of Eve's Parcel because it's really a period subscription box, but I just get the beauty items instead. So if you want to find out along with me what is inside, you know what you need to do. Give me a thumbs up, ring that notification bell, share when you're done, and of course, subscribe. Come on, join the family. All right, let's get into the video. If you want more details about Eve's Parcel, price, etc., I'll just put a little card up here and you can watch one of my old videos if you haven't seen it already. Or you can just rewatch if you want. I don't mind, I won't stop you. This month's Eve's Parcel came like this. So they're trying to be a bit more fancy by wrapping this red thing which has the information around the items. But here is what's really inside. And I have to say that this box feels rather light for my liking. There was actually an additional bag of sweets in here, but I ate them. I meant to do the video that day and I was just making sure I had all the prices and everything ready for you guys. And the sweets were not on this list, so I was like, oh well, that's like a bonus. I don't know why, but great, thank you very much. And then I threw the packet away, so I don't have it to show you. But they were these sweets. I'll put a little picture in, and they're very nice. I've had them before, but they're not on this card, so I don't know if they're an extra for me for some reason, or to bulk out the box, or what it was. So let's hear what Eve's Parcel has to say. This cold February, we've filled Eve's Parcel with products to warm and brighten your day. Eve's Parcel is focused on female health and well-being. We want our parcels to pamper and indulge you. Remember those words. We aim to help you focus on self-care and remind you to take some time out to focus on you. That's great, because we all need to be looked after, and in this hectic world we do sometimes forget to look after ourselves. So what goodies have we got? Well, in fact, let's start with this. So every month they have like one of these statement cards, the affirmation of the month. And it's what others think of me is their choice. What I think of myself is my choice. That's very true. It says, don't ever let other people's opinions control you. Have faith in your amazing abilities. Trust in your heart and be the incredible person you are destined to be. And it suggests that you place it somewhere that you'll see it every day, like your office desk, your fridge, your mirror, wherever, to remind yourself how brilliant you are. So that's nice. And then they have the yoga pose of the month. And this month is the butterfly, because being in this position is supposed to stimulate the abdominal organs and thereby increase blood flow to the uterus, helping to cure menstrual cramps. Butterfly pose is one of the most effective yoga poses for menstrual cramps. So there you go. Nice. Let's get into the actual items. First we have chocolate. Everybody likes chocolate. Well, pretty much everyone likes chocolate, and I myself do really enjoy these Lindt chocolates. If you've never had them, they are normal chocolate on the outside, but softer chocolate on the inside. They melt sooner than regular chocolate. For example, if it gets too warm and one of these is out and about, the outside might be whole, but the inside might be liquid when you bite into it. Yes, that's happened. Kind of what happens when you fall asleep with a chocolate ball in your bed. Yeah, but at least it was only chocolate. But this is nice. I think there's what, maybe like 5 in here. It says, indulge with the most comforting Lindor's famous chocolate truffles this winter. That doesn't make sense. A perfectly round chocolate shell made with the finest milk chocolate filled with an irresistibly smooth melting filling. So, okay, that's good. It's nice to have a little chocolate treat. Let's do the tea bag as well. So this is from Pukka tea, and being that it's Valentine's this month, having a love tea bag is a good idea. A heartwarming touch of organic rose, chamomile and lavender. Naturally caffeine free and ethically sourced, 100% organically grown ingredients. Good news for filling your heart with love. 50% Fair Wild certified ingredients and 50% fair trade ingredients. So yeah, that's nice. I'm sure that will be a nice tasty cup of tea. So this is a tea that embodies nature's gift of fair wild flowers that will love you every step of the way. A tender touch of rose fills your heart. The soft embrace of chamomile and lavender soothe your soul. A tea made with love, dedicated to love and called love. How lovely is that? But drinking a cup of love tea has more to it than just a blissful taste. Find out the story behind this incredible tea by reading this article. Good news for filling your heart with love. So the reason it's called Love Tea is because Sebastian, who works here, right? And he made this tea specifically as a gift to win over his lovely partner, who's now his wife. That is what the tea comes from. So maybe if you're trying to entice that special someone in your life, give them this tea and they will be bowled over and they'll be yours. No guarantees. So now the paper's out of the way and the cards and everything else is out of the way. This is what we're left with. These are the actual beauty items. And it's a rather a big box for these items, isn't it? And there's only 4 things. I feel like there should be 5. Is there normally 5 or is it just me? It looks a bit small, is what I'm saying. First, let's have a look at this. This is from the Body Shop and this is a bath bomb. Pink grapefruit bath bubble. You know, bath bomb, bath bubble, same. It's in a heart shape, so that's nice for Valentine's. You can smell the grapefruit through it, that is very nice. East Parcel says, warm your bones with a soak in a cosy warm bath. Bring on the bubbles with a fun, fragrant bath bomb. Turns your tub into a fresh, juicy treat with an explosion of and the scent of zesty, citrusy pink grapefruits. Lie back and enjoy. So yeah, bath bomb, can't go wrong. But it's a bit small, isn't it? Don't you feel like you should have 3 of these or something? That's how I feel. I feel like it needs to be a big bath bomb, to be honest. But let's see what Body Shop have to say. They're 100% vegetarian beauty since 1976, but not vegan friendly. And they say they're against animal testing. So vegetarian and against animal testing. I'll have to give it a go. Next we have this, which I've never seen before, which is from Sally Hansen Colour Quick Fast Dry Nail Colour Pen in this pink colour here. So it's basically a felt tip nail polish pen with vitamins, panthenol and a UV protector. Manicure in minutes, just click to dispense the colour, brush on and go. Fast dry formula and handy application make it easy to use. Great for pedicures too. So it literally looks, like a black marker pen type thing with a pink capsule at the end, which I guess is holding the nail polish. You're supposed to shake before use. And then when you take the cap off the tube, you have a brush at the other end which has no nail polish on it. To be honest, I'm not sure if I quite fancy that as a nail polish brush. Bearing in mind the nails ink brush from my last video, it looked really nice. This one, I don't know, it doesn't look, maybe it'd be alright. In fact, maybe it would cover your nail in one go actually, so maybe it does spread correctly. Alright, I think I've been proven wrong. It just didn't look as nice as I thought it might look. Oh, can't get the lid still now. Screws back on. So yes, but you know, I don't use nail products myself, so this is going to go back in its box. Brighten up these cold days with a quick, convenient manicure on the go. This easy to use nail pen is so easy to use. I'm just reading from the card here, okay? The formula is nourishing and fast drying, so why not treat yourself to a colourful, vibrant, long-lasting manicure? I couldn't find this anywhere on the Sally Hansen website, but I did find that you could buy it on American Amazon and I think on eBay as well. So I'm feeling like this is an old product. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe somebody else can find it. I'll let you guys make up your minds on that one. That was a full-size item. So then we have this from Articka. Cedarwood Ylang Abyssinian multi-use body oils. It's a small glass cylinder with a black plastic cap about the height of my palm. It contains naturally occurring rosmarinic acid that promotes skin renewal. This multi-use oil protects skin cells while increasing collagen production. Abyssinian oil contains fatty acids known for skin regeneration and is perfect as an anti-chafe oil and moisturiser. Do they mean anti-chafe like the oil you can put between your legs when you get chub rub? Because you know, summer is coming. Let's have a sniff of this oil. So it's a roller ball on the end, which is handy. It's not like a thick oil, it's quite fluid. Oh, it's got quite interesting scent. Oh, let me hold my arm up a bit. It's interesting, but not in a bad way. I can't really tell you it smells like X because I can't think of anything it smells like. This oil can be used as a body moisturiser, a hydrating hair treatment, a cuticle softening treatment, or as a remedy for dry feet. So says this. They also do one that has no scent for people who do not like scent. I'm not sure exactly where I'm going to use this. Well, my body, I guess. We'll see. Maybe it will be chafing oil. Maybe I'll try out my heels come summer. I'm not sure how I feel about this, because I feel like it's great to take with you to moisturise, but you're not really going to roll this all over you after you've had your bath, are you? That would take forever. Does it fit? Maybe it does fit. Maybe I'm just being funny about it. I don't know. Let's go to our last item, which is this from Essie Spa Manicure. So you know Essie, who make the nail polish, they now have manicure products as well, or you know, creams and other things. Yeah, can you see that there? That dark line down the bottle makes me think that it's been held in storage somewhere, but maybe I'm just guessing. It's called the Many Mani Intensive Hand Lotion with coriander oil and glycerin. The perfect amount of indulgence. My Many Mani instantly hydrates skin and helps protect hands from dryness. My light and silky formula leaves hands feeling soft, supple and comfortable. Gently massage in. Says that it leaves hands soft, smooth and supple with no oily residue, and it penetrates quickly. I always like a moisturiser because I use it all the time. Oh, it does have a scent. It's nice actually. Kind of like a light potpourri kind of scent. That's what it reminds me of. Flowers. Dried flowers. Yeah, it's quite nice. It rubs in nicely. It's a hand cream. What more can we say? I like hand cream. Now again, I couldn't find this on sale on the Essie website itself, but I found it in other places on American websites, and a lot of people really like it. It's got good reviews. You can also buy this on UK Amazon, but I can't find this on the actual Essie website, so I'm not sure if this is an old product or what the situation is. That's all I have to say. Now, I don't know if you've noticed as we've gone along, the value of these items isn't that high. And this box is worth £14.55 for all of the items that are on this card. If you add on the gummy sweets that I got, which are £2.95, then that brings the total up to £17.50. But as I'm not sure if everyone got them, I'm not going to include them, and I will stick to my £14.55 valuation, which is pretty much what the box costs with postage. And that is not good enough. It needs to be twice the box price, including postage, for me to be satisfied. I feel like the items seem to be small and possibly old, discontinued lines, which isn't the end of the world, but of course you have to be a bit careful as to whether the products are still in date. I'm guessing they probably are, but they're older things and that doesn't excite me as much. I prefer new things, up and coming things, rather than being given things that maybe people are trying to get rid of. I don't know, what do you think? But the value isn't enough this month, and I'm really shocked because Eve's Parcel has been going up and up and up over the last, what have I been doing, about 6 months now? And this is the kind of box that I would have expected them to do when they were, what were they called before? That I would have expected them to do before they rebranded and they said they were going to be better and do better stuff. So to get this now is a bit like, huh? What is going on? Are you having a dodgy month? I hope so, because they have been doing better things, better quality products, bigger items. So yeah, I wouldn't say this is my favourite box. If I knew what was in this box, I wouldn't have ordered it. Let's put it that way. Let me know down below what you think. Am I being a bit harsh, or do you feel the same as me? I hope next month will be different. I am going to give them another try and see if this was just a little glitch. So join me in March for that and see if Eve's Parcel is going to be staying on the buy list or on the bye-bye list. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it was helpful to find out about this box. And until you see me next time, I hope you find something positive every day and take care of yourselves. Bye guys.